This trick will change your home. If you think your cleaning products are effective, wait until you see this method. Prepare a large jar. Take a laundry capsule with your favorite scent and color. The capsule effectively dissolves grease and dirt while leaving a beautiful, long-lasting fragrance. Add the capsule to the jar. Now, for the lemon. It works as a natural cleaner that enhances the liquid's power. Cut the lemon in half and squeeze the juice directly into the jar. Also, add the peel and leftover fruit. Pour hot water over everything, leaving some space in the jar. Stir everything well. Close the jar and let it sit for an hour to allow the mixture to fully activate its cleaning power. After that, prepare a dispenser bottle, preferably with a pump. Pour the liquid into the container, and it's ready to use. Your all-purpose cleaning liquid is now ready. Use it for cleaning kitchen counters, tables, sinks, and faucets. It effectively removes dirt and grease. With this simple recipe, you'll create an effective, fragrant, and eco-friendly cleaner. Mix dish soap with toothpaste and pour it into the toilet. You'll get rid of dirt and unpleasant odor. It's a trick to remove exceptionally unpleasant stains in the bathroom. With this homemade method, you'll eliminate all the mess and odor. Sometimes various food remnants are poured into the toilet, which cannot be thrown into the trash bag. Sometimes the toilet gets dirty when you have food poisoning. It doesn't look good then. The smell can also be unpleasant. That's when homemade liquid comes to the rescue. It will clean the toilet, and above all, leave a pleasant smell immediately. You can also clean the sink or a dirty shower with it. They will be clean, shiny, and will smell nice. Pour a small cup of floor cleaner into the dish. Most of these liquids can also be used for cleaning other surfaces. Add a cup of baking soda to it. Baking soda cleans and absorbs bad odors. Pour a cup of dishwashing liquid. It removes many stains, including greasy ones. It foams perfectly. Also, add a tablespoon of toothpaste. It disinfects and smells intensely and pleasantly. Finally, pour a cup of plain water. Mix everything together. You can clean the bathroom with this liquid. Just pour it into the toilet and clean it as usual. It will remove even greasy dirt. The unpleasant smell will disappear immediately. After flushing with water, it will be like new. You can also use this liquid to clean an exceptionally dirty sink. The stains will disappear, and it will be shiny, white, and fragrant. You can also clean tiles and grout under the shower in the same way. There is always the most dirt in the corner by the drain. You will easily remove it. With this amount of liquid, you can clean the entire bathroom. Poke holes in a bottle with a fork, and it will completely transform your bathroom. Say goodbye to constantly adding toilet cleaner and try this brilliant trick. First, heat a fork over the stove for about 10 seconds until it becomes hot. Then, gently press it into a plastic bottle filled with liquid cleaner, creating several evenly spaced holes with ease. The heat softens the plastic, making it simple to get perfectly sized openings. Now, place the prepared bottle inside the toilet tank, submerging it in water. Flush and watch the magic happen. With every flush, a small amount of cleaner will be released, keeping your toilet fresh and clean for longer. This method keeps your bathroom smelling great, eliminating the need for expensive air fresheners. It's a quick, cheap, and effective way to maintain long-lasting freshness. Try it once, and you'll never go back to traditional methods. Pour rice into fabric softener. This trick will solve a common household problem. Take a small plastic container and fill it halfway with rice. Rice is a great moisture absorber, acting as a natural dehumidifier. Next, add about 3 tablespoons of coarse salt. Salt has antibacterial properties and enhances moisture absorption, making the mixture more effective and long-lasting. Now, add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda neutralizes odors, helping to eliminate musty smells from clothes and indoor spaces. Finally, pour in 2 capfuls of your favorite fabric softener. This gives the mixture a long-lasting fresh scent. Stir everything well, ensuring the ingredients are evenly mixed. Your homemade air freshener is now ready. Take some damp wipes and place 1 tablespoon of the mixture in the center of each. Fold the wipes and secure the ends with a rubber band. Prepare several of these sachets and place them on shelves, in wardrobes, or in the bathroom. This simple solution gradually releases a pleasant fragrance while absorbing excess moisture. After a few days, when the scent fades, just replace the sachets with new ones. A cheap and effective way to create a natural air freshener. Do not use a toothbrush to clean dirt from your refrigerator gasket. It's a mistake that can be costly. When the gasket becomes dirty, discolored, or yellowed, avoid cleaning it with a toothbrush, dish brush, or rough sponge, as this could damage it. There's a better solution for such gaskets. Prepare a small bowl and pour in half a cup of regular water. Warm water is fine. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda and mix well. Then add 2 tablespoons of vinegar and stir until all ingredients are dissolved. Pour the mixture into a spray bottle, spray the gasket on the refrigerator door, and let it sit for about 2 minutes. Then, wipe it gently with a soft cloth. The ingredients in this solution will remove dirt, whiten the yellowed material, and eliminate mold spores that may be hiding in the gasket's crevices. Regular cleaning with this simple and effective mixture will keep your refrigerator gasket cleaner and brighter. With just this easy trick, your refrigerator will look like new. Squeeze toothpaste into a bottle, and the results will surprise you. In just a few minutes, you'll create a solution to your problem. Start with a plastic or glass bottle. Squeeze about 2 tablespoons of any toothpaste into it. Then add about 50 milliliters of vinegar. Vinegar dissolves deposits, greasy stains, and bacteria while preventing moisture. Finally, pour in warm water to help dissolve the toothpaste and create a uniform mixture. Seal the bottle and shake it well. Your spray is ready. Use it on windows, mirrors, or other surfaces. Wipe with a microfiber cloth for a streak-free shine. This spray works wonders in cars too, especially on interior windows prone to fogging. It removes smudges, reduces fogging, and keeps your surfaces clean. A natural, effective solution for cleaning windows in humid areas, bathrooms, or car interiors. This simple mixture does wonders to eliminate streaks, residue, and moisture issues. Just a few drops down the drain are enough. You'll eliminate unpleasant odors for a long time. Ever since my grandma showed me this trick, I've been using it constantly. At first, I couldn't believe how brilliantly it worked. Additionally, it cleans all the impurities invisible to the naked eye that can eventually cause clogs. To prepare this fantastic solution, start by pouring 100 milliliters of dish soap into a container. Dish soap effectively dissolves grease and bacteria. Next, add a tablespoon of salt. Due to its abrasive properties, salt helps clean the drain, reduce bacteria, and eliminate unpleasant odors. The next ingredient in our mixture is vinegar. Pour 100 milliliters of vinegar into the container. It will also help break down grease and combat any bacteria. Mix everything thoroughly to combine. Now we can get to work. Go to the sink and sprinkle baking soda down the drain. Then pour in our mixture. Leave it overnight without using the sink. In the morning, close the drain and fill the sink with hot water. Once there's enough water, pull out the plug so that a strong stream of water flushes our mixture down. You have to try this.